During the recent COVID-19 world crisis, the vehicle aftermarket has been defined as an essential industry by the Homeland Security U.S. regulation. It is clear that during times of emergency, our society still needs functioning vehicles to take workers to hospitals and goods to grocery stores. Delivery fleets need to keep working and fulfill important demands while keeping their staff safe at all times. Whether it's repairing vehicles, selling second-hand ones, or maintaining a fleet, UVeye has created a platform with 3 products which can help inspect vehicles for mechanical issues or damage while keeping your staff safe. Oil leakages, rust, broken parts, scratches or dents, and tread analysis of tires can be exposed within seconds and shown on a tablet screen connected to the cloud. Automatic inspection means safer inspection. UVeye has added the following features adapted to the current emergency situation: thermal sensor, driver and passenger temperature measurement. UVeye's devices have the ability to scan through the windshield and assess all passengers' temperatures and check if they have a fever. In that case, a customer entering a repair shop or a driver driving a fleet can be checked and validated as in good and healthy condition. Objective devices. No physical human contact needed. Using automatic inspection devices can reduce human and physical interaction and avoid unnecessary risks. Drive and go. All 3 products can be used together or alone in a drive-through setup. Automatic reporting can be sent to the customer's email with the bill and receipt. Get in touch with us today to schedule a live webinar demo for our different products and see how you can keep inspecting vehicles without unnecessary risks and in a quick and efficient manner.